In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter a chart in Excel. By the end, you will be able to hide data you do not need, so your chart tells a much clearer story. Start by clicking your chart, move your mouse over the chart area, and click once. You should see a border appear around the chart, with small handles on the corners and sides. That border tells you the chart is selected, and Excel will now show chart-specific buttons on the right side. Now look for the Chart Filters button. It sits just to the right of the chart, along with a couple of other small icons. The Filters button looks like a tiny funnel, usually below the plus icon. If you do not see it, check that the chart border is still visible because the button only appears when the chart is selected. Next, click the funnel. When you click it, a small panel opens beside the chart. At the top of this panel, you see options for values and names, and below that, you see two sections called Series and Categories. This panel controls which parts of your data are actually shown on the chart, without changing the data in your worksheet. Under Categories, uncheck the items you do not want. Categories usually appear along the horizontal axis, such as months, regions, or product names. Each category has its own checkbox in this list. Click to remove the checkmark beside any category you want to hide from the chart. The text in the list stays there, but once unchecked, that category will no longer appear as a label along the axis when you apply the filter. If you change your mind, you can always click the box again to recheck it before applying. After that, look under Series and uncheck any data you do not want. Series are the actual data lines, bars, or columns drawn on the chart, often one per measure like sales or profit. Each series in the list matches something in the legend. If you uncheck a series, its entire line or set of bars will disappear from the chart when the filter is applied, but the underlying worksheet values stay untouched. A useful trick is to hide one series at a time so you can focus on a single measure without distraction. With your choices set, click Apply. The panel stays open, but the chart updates right away to match the filters you chose. You should see any unchecked categories vanish from the axis, and any unchecked series disappear from the chart and the legend. If the result is not what you expected, you can adjust the checkboxes again and click Apply once more to refine the view. You have just filtered your Excel chart to show only the categories and series you care about right now, making your data much easier to read. If this helped you clean up your chart, give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more clear Excel walkthroughs.